when life ain't making sense again. You can always call a friend. Take a look into their eyes, or just fall into their skin. If life ain't making sense again, life ain't making sense again. Close your eyes and count to 10. I can see a little smile when you think the way you're back. If life ain't making sense again, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. The sun is warm, there's a gentle breeze. All the birds are making homes inside the evergreens. The air is clear with our loved ones close. You can pick out every star without a telescope. So beautiful to see how we have changed. In time, you know, everything we've lost comes home again, and I will grab onto your arm a little stronger than we were before. I've missed your face, has it been that long? Looking forward to a fire and a sing-along. Let's stay the same as the children grow, and teach them all the simple things we thought we used to know. So beautiful to see how we have changed. In time, you know, everything we've lost comes home again, and I will grab onto your arm a little stronger than we were before. In a world, in a day, we are all brand new, and it's love that we're fighting for. I'm proud, you know, that we always held out hope. So if you grab onto my arm, let's take a walk until the sun gets warm. In time, you know, everything we've lost comes home again, and I will grab onto your arm a little stronger than we were before,
It's as simple as it seems, the twinkle in your eyes, the way that time slows down when you kiss me. As we fall asleep in a bed of butterflies, just close your eyes and then you'll see it. You don't ever have to look too far, you don't have to cover up your scars. You're perfect, darling, just the way you are. So before you think to rip yourself apart, open up my heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Open up my heart and you'll find love. never grow old, even when we grow up. It's up to us to stop and smell each rose. They're the colors that we show, it's the feeling that we trust, and it's the brush that we both carry. You don't ever have to look too far, you don't have to cover up your scars. You're perfect, darling, just the way you are. So before you think to rip yourself apart, open up my heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Love, love, love. Open up my heart and you'll find love. When you're searching hard and it seems to lead to nowhere, no matter where you are, know I'll always be there. You don't ever have to look too far, you don't have to cover up your scars. You're perfect, darling, just the way you are. So before you think to rip yourself apart, open up my heart and you'll find you don't ever have to look too far, you don't have to cover up your scars. You're perfect, darling, just the way you are. So before you think to rip yourself apart, open up my heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Love, love, love. Open up my heart and you'll find love.
I once loved a girl, but she don't love me anymore. And the pain that comes in waves like it's washing me up on the shore. I thought we were happy, guess I thought too much anyway. Now that she's leaving, I kinda wish that she could stay. And I know I drove you crazy, sometimes you'd even hate me. But baby, I thought we had something. Was I wrong? Was it nothing? Was it just in my head? I once loved a girl, there was a time she loved me too. Oh man, life is funny, it twists and turns and leaves you blue. Now I know we had our issues, but there ain't no such thing as perfect. And even though she's gone now, part of me still knows she was worth it. When our fights became daily and our spark had started fading, oh baby, I thought we had something. Was I wrong? Was it nothing? Was it just in my head? Oh, 'cause lately I tell myself I don't miss her, but I keep looking at your picture and it hurts real bad. I once loved a girl. Leave my thoughts on the table, set my keys by the door. All these fortune and fables, I don't think they need us no more. In my head like a blitzkrieg, on my heart like a war. Coming back for your heart now, 'cause this one ain't mine anymore. Will you wait by yourself, dressed like an angel in white unaware? Can you be like a drone, straight from a song that I've known all along? Can you take the islands, just pulling apart the waves as I fall into your arms? Tearing up roses as daylight approaches, just hoping to be what you want. Hold me up with your bare hand, like some pillar of God, on this road that you wander, burning like some bottle rocket. Let me fight for your honor, raise a wall for your truth, build it up like a fortress, wave the flag when I come home to you. Will you wait by yourself, dressed like an angel in white unaware? And you'll be like a drone, straight from a song that I've known all along. Can you take the islands, just pulling apart the waves as I fall into your arms? Tearing up roses and daylight approaches, just hoping to be what you want. Can't leave it unsaid now with you right in front of me. Will you wait by yourself? 'Cause I want you and nobody else. And you'll be like a drug from a song that I've known all along. We will take the islands, just pulling apart the waves as I fall into your arms. I'm just pulling up roses as daylight approaches, just hoping to be what you want. I'm proud, you know, that we always held out hope. So if you grab onto my arm, let's take a walk until the sun gets warm.